In this video, we are covering the procedure to install the drivers for the iScan 2WT and the VeDiS II. First, you want to go to the autolandscientech.com website. Then log in with your ID and password. Once in the member area, click on the Tools Download and ePaper on the left-hand menu. Then you click again on Software Download Tools and Instructions. You have two options. On the first line, you can download all the tools for the iScan 2WT and the VeDiS II just simply by clicking the download button on the right-hand side. Or you can click on the download button with a right click on the third line with a PSM3 driver option for the iScan 2 and VeDiS II, simply to download only the drivers, and you right click and save link as, the fourth option. Then you must define the pathway or the location where you want to save your drivers and click OK. Then you're going to open the folder where you saved your driver and create a new folder. In this case, we call the folder Scanner Driver. Then you will select the driver and drag it into the new folder. This is important because it enables the computer to read the driver. Then you're going to go to the Start menu on the bottom left-hand corner, right-click on the computer, and then click on Properties, going to the Device Manager, and you're going to click on Ports, COM and LPT. Next, you're going to connect your USB cable from the mini port on the scanner to the regular USB port on the computer. This is what it looks like when the drivers from the scanner are not installed. You want to right click on the driver and select Update Driver Software. Select the second option, Browse My Computer, for driver software. We're going to look for it on our computer. Click the Browse button and follow the pathway to the folder where you saved the driver. You're going to select the folder that we labeled Scanner Driver and hit OK. Click the Next button, and when the Windows security window pops up, choose the Install this driver software anyway option. Once the driver has been successfully downloaded, you click the button Close. Once the software has been installed, you want to go back to the Device Manager in our Start menu, go to the ports COM and LPT, and notice that the scanner has been properly installed. You need to make a note of the COM port number. In this case, it's 25. Because later it will be necessary to configure the software to the same port. The drivers are successfully installed, and now we can proceed to upload the software from our PC to the scanner. To download the software to our computer, we have two options. One is through the PS Module File Manager. Double-click on the PS module. The window will open, and you need to make sure that the scanner is connected to the computer and verify that the serial number is the same on your scanner. To understand how this program works, the left-hand side of the screen represents our computer, the software that has been downloaded either through autoload or via email. The right-hand side of our screen represents the scanner, where we will save or burn the files that we have on our computer. Now we're going to load the software onto our program. Click the Load button and go to our C drive, Auto Load, and the Order folder. Once inside the Order folder, you open up the subfolder where all the documents that have been automatically downloaded are located. These documents will be the ones that we load onto our scanner. The first thing we need to do is to find the system folder, sys_usin.bn. Click OK, and then the confirmation that it has been loaded onto our program. Now what we need to do is to compare our latest software that we loaded onto our program on the left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, it is System 1.08B3. On the right-hand side that represents our scanner, it says 1.06, which means we need to update our software. We're going to click on the Burn button. It's going to ask us if we want to override the system. Click Yes because it is a newer version of the software. It shows that the programming is loading up. Once it's complete, it asks you if the program is okay. Click OK. Now you can see that the scanner has System 1.08B3. The second file that we are going to load is the VeDiS II.bm. because some of the components of the system are contained in this file. We're going to follow the same procedure and program the file as we did previously. And while it's loading, while it's programming, you can see that it says, or that it's red. After this, we can proceed to load the rest of the brands. We are going to load all of these programs together. You select them all, then holding the control button, you deselect the VeDiS2.bm and the system_usin.bm files because they have been previously loaded, and then click Load. During this process, you need to be patient because you remember that there are many files and they're very heavy, and it will take a few minutes for them to load. Once the burn process has been completed, your files will appear on the right-hand screen in black, indicating that they have been completely installed into your device. Close the window and disconnect the equipment, and it is ready to use.